FV Margiris is the world's second-largest fishing boat. It is a 9,500 GT super trawler and factory ship. In 2012, Seafish Tasmania brought the ship to Australia. She was originally authorized to catch a quota of 18,000 tons of jack mackerel and redbait along the southern shores of the country. After protests against her use by environmental and fishing industry groups, the Australian government passed legislation prohibiting the trawler from fishing in Australian waters for 2 years. For this reason, Seafish Tasmania subsequently sold its stake in the vessel to Dutch company Parlevliet and Van der Plas. On 6 March 2013, after 6 months moored in Australian waters, she left Port Lincoln, having reassumed her original name of Margiris. After leaving Australian waters, the vessel passed through Cook Strait, New Zealand on 20 March 2013. She was now flagged to Lithuania and owned by Atlantic High Sea Fishing Company. Margiris arrived in port of Penco, Chile on 7 April 2013. The vessel did not berth and steamed out of the bay to fish. The super trawler issue was subject to a court challenge in 2014 and an Australian government scientific report published in late 2014. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.